Hi, hello, and welcome to Fishy Friday, a series on fish recipes. New recipes every Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today we're gonna cook a Kara Kulambu. Kara Kulambu is one of the popular curries in southern part of India. This curry is prepared with various different vegetables, but today we're gonna try this curry using a dry fish. Now people use different varieties of dry fish for this curry, but I'm gonna use Bombay duck, or popularly known as bumbali, to make this Kara Kulambu. So let's have a look at the ingredients. I have taken dry fishes cut into small pieces. We're gonna soak it in water for 5 minutes so that we remove the dirt or excess salt on the dry fish before we could cook. Once the pot is hot, add 100 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, we will add the dry fish. We're going to slowly fry this dry fish in this oil so that the flavor of the dry fish infuses into the oil and flavors the curry. You need to cook this dry fish in lower flame only and cook it till you get the aroma of the dry fish. The dry fish is half cooked. I want to take it out at this point of time. We will use the same dry fish flavored oil, mustard. Wait till the mustard splatters. We are still cooking it in a lower flame. Once the mustard splatters, add the cumin seed, 2 green chilies slit, and 1 strip of curry leaves. Curry leaf and the green chili. Shallots peeled 100 grams. Garlic 20 cloves. The shallots and the garlic. Now if you want, you can increase the flame. Fry the garlic and shallots. Once they turn lighter brown, reduce the flame. The reason why I'm reducing the flame is to add the chili powder. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Dhania powder or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. So when you actually keep it on low flame and add the chili powder, it'll enhance the color of the dish. You can see the color that came out of the chili powder. Now we will add turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, mix it well. We are still cooking in low flame. I have taken 3 tomatoes and ground it into a paste. Now I'm using 3 tomatoes, the reason being like I could get some extra gravy so that 2 to 3 people can eat this. At this point, let's add the ground tomatoes. Mix it well. Increase the flame and allow the tomatoes to cook. Now the tomatoes are cooked well. At this point of time, we will add the tamarind juice and cook it till the rawness of the tamarind juice goes. I have taken a small ball of tamarind and I've soaked it in water to extract some juice. Mix it well and allow the tamarind juice to cook along with the curry. We need to cook it till the rawness of the tamarind juice is gone. Now the rawness of the tamarind is gone. Now we'll add the dry fish that we have kept aside. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. And allow the dry fish to cook. Once it comes to a boil, Close it with the lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Now that it's cooked for 5 minutes, open the lid, mix it well. Taste the salt. Needs little bit of salt. I'm going to add that. Now lower the flame. Cook it in lower flame till you can see the oil separating. Your Karuvattu Kara Kulambu is ready to be served. You can serve it with rice or any flatbreads. Please do try this at home and do comment on my comment box and let me know how it came out. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.